Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit the style sheets applied to a specific page in HubSpot. This is particularly useful when you want to customize the appearance of individual landing pages without affecting your entire site's design. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Sign in using your account credentials. If you're new to HubSpot, you can create an account or start a free trial to explore the platform's features. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your marketing content and tools. Now, direct your attention to the left side menu on your screen. Hover your cursor over the content menu, and you'll notice an expanded window appears with several options. From this menu, click on Landing Pages. This section houses all your landing page designs and allows you to manage them efficiently. Next, you'll see a list of all your existing landing pages. Browse through and click on the specific landing page where you want to adjust the style sheet. This will open the landing page editor, giving you full access to customize various elements of your page. Once you're in the landing page editor, look at the top of your screen. You'll find the settings menu in the toolbar. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with multiple configuration options. This is where you can access more granular controls for your landing page's behavior and appearance. Within the settings menu, look for the option labeled Advanced. Click on it to reveal additional technical settings that aren't typically found in the standard editing interface. This section is specifically designed for users who want to implement custom styling or code adjustments to their pages. From the advanced settings, you'll now see the Style Sheets option. This is where the magic happens. You'll find a drop-down menu that allows you to choose between enabling or disabling specific style sheets, or simply using the default style sheet that comes with your template. Select the option that best suits your design needs, and your changes will be applied to this specific landing page without affecting any of your other pages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.